Let's discuss behaviorist Ivan Pavlov and his main concept of classical conditioning. When a neutral stimulus such as a bell was frequently coupled with another stimulus like food that elicited salivation, Pavlov discovered that the sound of the bell could ultimately evoke salivation in dogs on its own. Humans can also experience classically conditioned responses that are involuntary and not spontaneous choices. Behaviorist B.F. Skinner's concept was operant conditioning. Voluntary behaviors are taught through consequences, and behavioral responses are induced by reinforcement, which encourages behavior to occur more frequently, according to Skinner. Positive behavior can be encouraged to continue through positive reinforcement, such as offering a reward or returning a privilege. In the next video, we will cover Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs. This is crucial to know for all nursing exams.